Do you want to know how to make money online in the UK for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I'm often asked here on my YouTube channel and on my website about ways to earn in certain countries. And in this video here, I will focus on 3 ways to make some extra money online in the UK. But if you're not from the UK, then do not worry. I have plenty of videos coming up about options in other countries, and I also already have a lot of videos about earning opportunities in other countries. And I will leave a link in the top corner here of this video to a playlist with options in other countries. But if you are from the UK, then let's go ahead and look at 5 free and legit methods you can use to earn some extra money online. So before I go over the 5 methods I want to show you, I just want to make it clear what you can expect to earn from these methods here. Because I am focusing on showing you free and fast methods. That means you do not have to invest anything at all to start earning, and you can start earning right away, meaning today. However, you need to do it with the right expectations, and in general with completely free earning methods where you can start earning right away, then it is not a way to make a living or anything like that. If you want to make a living online, it will require you to build an actual online business and put in quite a lot of time and effort, and in some cases also money, before you will start earning. And if that's what you're interested in, I will leave a link below this video here to an article I have that explains more about how that is potentially possible. But in this video, I will focus on these methods where you can start earning right away. And if you do it with the right expectations and you know that it is to earn some extra side cash, then they are really easy and great methods to start earning right away. So with the expectations set correctly, let's now go over these 5 ways I want to show you. So the first method I want to talk about is paid surveys, because if you live in the UK, there are a lot of really great paid service sites where you can get paid to share your opinion, and many of them will pay you in cash, and you can often take your earnings out already when you've earned between £1 and £5, or in some cases maybe £10. But it's very fast to reach the payout threshold and get your earnings out if you join the best sites. And as mentioned, in the UK there are a lot of options, so I'm not going to single out any specific platform here, because on my website I have a list with more than 40 legit paid service sites in the UK, and I will leave a link to that below this video here, so you can go there and read more about my top recommended paid service sites and see how to join. And some of them will also offer you an extra joining bonus if you join through an invitation link, so you can read all about that there. But paid service is one of the easiest and fastest way to start earning some extra cash completely for free in the UK. So definitely something to look into. But if paid service is not for you, then do not worry. There are 4 other methods that has nothing to do with paid service. So let's go over the next method. In the UK, you can also find quite a lot of nice passive income apps. And one example of this is Honeygain, where you can get paid to share your unused internet. So all you have to do is to install it on the devices you want to use it on, and then you will earn just by letting it run in the background. A specifically great thing about Honeygain is that you will get a $5 joining bonus if you join through an invitation link. And I, of course, have such an invitation link. So if you decide to try out Honeygain after watching this video here, then make sure to join through that, so you will get $5 into your account right away. And I will leave a link to more information about that below this video here. But Honeygain is just one example of passive income apps where you can earn in the UK. These passive income apps are usually not a way to earn a lot compared to, for example, paid service or some of the other methods I will show you here in this video, but you also do not have to do anything at all once it's set up. Another example is Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, where you can also earn just by installing it, and then they will gather anonymously data about how you use the internet, and then you will earn by doing that. So that's kind of a passive way to earn by sharing data, you can say. But I have a full list of legit passive income apps on my website, and we'll leave a link to that below here also, so you can go there and see more opportunities if this is the way you decide you want to try to earn some extra money. The next option I want to show you is where you can get paid to test websites and apps and give feedback about it. And one option is, for example, Usertribe. And here you join, and when there's a project you can participate in, you will have to record your screen and you have to speak out loud and answer certain questions they will tell you. to, for example, navigate on the website and find certain things, and then you will explain what your experiences is, and they will use this to improve these different websites and apps, for example. And this is just one example of a website that offers this. I have a full list on my website with quite a few more options here. So you can go there and check out more information about great user testing websites. And the great thing about this earning method is that they actually pay quite well. You will not find a huge number of projects, but if you join several of them, you will regularly find a project, and in many cases, you can then earn maybe 10, 20, or in some cases, maybe even £50 for a test that takes somewhere between 20 and 60 minutes. So they pay quite decently, and it also can be quite fun to participate in. So the next earning method I want to go over is something that is very often overlooked on Get Paid to Site, meaning sites you can join for free and start earning by doing different things, for example, taking paid service and taking paid offers. And in this case, I want to talk about the paid offers, because if you join Get Paid to Sites, then you really need to check out the offer walls. Often you will see that they are called offer walls or paid offers or something like that, and many different platforms offer them. I'm just on PriceRebel now, which is one of my favorite Get Paid to Sites, and it offers quite a lot of different of these offer walls, and you can choose any of them, and you can see you can, for example, earn by playing games and signing up for free trials. And in some cases, for example, here you would have to deposit £200, but you would also get equivalent of $290 almost for actually doing that, so it can still be worth it. And that's the thing about these paid offers. If you just choose wisely, you can sometimes make some really nice money here. But not all offers are worth it, so you just need to make sure you read the exact conditions. But if you do, then it really can be an easy way to boost your earnings on Get Paid to Sites. And I will leave a link below this video here to a list of my top recommended Get Paid to Sites where you can find the best paid offers. And if you just read the conditions and choose wisely, then it really is something that can make you some nice extra money. The last method I want to talk about is if you like playing games on your phone or online in general, then there are quite a lot of different platforms that will allow you to do this. One example is AppKarma, which is an app, as the name suggests, where you can sign up completely for free and download different games or different apps. And when you play them, you will earn points here that you can then withdraw as cash or different gift cards. And this is just one example. There are quite a lot of different platforms that will allow you to earn like this. You will not necessarily earn a lot for playing games, or actually you can earn quite a bit, but it in some cases will then require quite a lot of effort and time. So it's not super fast money, but if you like playing games, then why not earn a little bit by doing it at the same time? And I also have a full list of different great platforms that actually offers to pay you for playing games. And I will leave a link to that below this video here, so you can go there and check out more information about that. So overall, as you can see, if you live in the UK and are looking for completely free ways to start earning a bit of extra cash online right away, then there are some really good opportunities. All the methods I showed you here are methods I have tested myself, and I have been paid by the platforms I recommend also. So I do know that they actually will pay you and that they actually do work. You just need to do it with the right expectations. As mentioned earlier, this is not a way to make a living or anything like that, but it can be a nice way to earn some extra money. And if you combine the different earning methods I showed you here, then it can be a really nice way to earn some extra money easily online. And if you know any easy online earning methods yourself that I have not mentioned here, I would love to hear about that in a comment. So just leave a comment below here, and I will also leave links below this video here to information about all the different platforms I mentioned here and all the different lists, so you can easily find more information about that and see how to join the different opportunities. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of Get Paid to Sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.